Hello and welcome to Sktv'S News. You're watching Afternoon English News with me, Suchitra Rajkumari. The headlines first. Election Commission of India announces Rajya Sabha poll schedule for 24 seats, including lone Manipur seat on June 18. And Centre appoints Manipur Director General of Police Rajiv Singh as Secretary Security in Cabinet Secretariat. New DGP yet to be named. And now the news in a bit more detail. Election Commission of India on Thursday announced schedule for biennial Rajya Sabha elections to fill 24 seats from 10 states that are set to fall vacant in June and July of this year. In Manipur, the lone Rajya Sabha seat represented by Thoubal will fall vacant on June 21 following completion of his 6-year term in the upper house of parliament. According to the commission, the official notification for the election will be issued on June 1, while the last date for filing nomination has been fixed for June 8. Scrutiny of nomination papers will take place on June 9 and candidates may withdraw their candidature till June 11. Polling will be held on June 18 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. with counting scheduled to begin at 5 p.m. on the same day. The Commission stated that only integrated violet color sketch pens supplied by the returning officer would be permitted for marking preferences on ballot papers and assured adequate measures for conducting free and fair polls. Apart from Manipur, biennial elections will be conducted for 4 Rajya Sabha seats each in Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, 3 seats each in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, 2 seats in Jharkhand and 1 seat each in Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram. Prominent leaders completing their terms include former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda, Union Minister George Kurian and Congress veteran Bijoy Singh. Centre has appointed Manipur Director General of Police Rajiv Singh as Secretary Security in a Cabinet Secretariat on Thursday. An order issued by the Department of Personnel and Training DOPT maintained that appointment committee of the Cabinet has approved the appointment of Manipur DGP Rajiv Singh to the post of Secretary Security in the Cabinet Secretariat with effect from the date of assumption of charge of the post or until further orders, whichever is earlier. Rajiv Singh, a 1993 batch IPS officer of Tripura cadre, was appointed as Manipur's police chief on June 1st of 2023, days after the violence broke out between the Meitei and the Kuki-Zo community on May 3rd of the same year. With his elevation as Secretary Security, Singh will move to Delhi and serve under the Cabinet Secretariat. The post oversees the administrative coordination of the Special Protection Group SPG, which is responsible for the Prime Minister's security, besides monitoring VIP security administration. Meanwhile, Manipur government has not yet named Rajiv Singh's successor. The senior-most officers after him are Ashutosh Sinha, a 1993 batch IPS officer, and Lupheng Kailun from the 1994 batch. A coordinating committee on Manipur integrity, COCOMI, has strongly rebutted recent statements made by senior BJP spokesperson Chongtham Bijoy regarding the Tronglaubi murder case, accusing him of spreading confusion and making baseless allegations. In a statement issued by convener of COCOMI's IPR subcommittee, Pijam Shyamchand, the organization described Bijoy's remark as politically motivated and lacking evidence. COCOMI criticized his repeated comments on updating IQ and cited German theologian Dietrich Bonhoeffer's theory of stupidity to argue that even educated individuals can act irresponsibly. The organization also questioned Bijoy's political standing within the BJP, pointing out that despite serving as senior spokesperson, he failed to secure party ticket. Kokomi stated that while Bijoy may possess high IQ, he appears to lack emotional intelligence (EQ) and social intelligence (SQ), which it described as essential qualities for public leadership. Defending its members, the organization said many had sacrificed comfortable careers to work for welfare of the state and rejected any suggestions that they were intellectually inferior. It further criticized Bijoy for making vague references to individuals allegedly linked to Thronglaubi murder and demanded that he publicly identify those he accused. Kokomi strongly denied Bijoy's allegations that its activities are financed through black money, clarifying that it operates solely through public donations. The organization challenged him to provide concrete evidence to support his claims and questioned why he held media briefings on the case, while simultaneously arguing that the matter should be left only to investigating agencies. Expressing frustration over allegations that Kokomi was shielding the real culprits and promoting a Kuki narco-terrorist narrative, the organization accused Bijoy of failing to provide evidence within the 5-day period earlier given to him. Kokomi labeled him as traitor and proxy war collaborator for allegedly protecting the real perpetrators while confusing the public. Concluding the statement, Pijam Shyamchand urged Bijoy to either substantiate his allegations with proof or refrain from making further comments on the issue. President of All Manipur United Clubs organization, Amuko Sanjoy Sorokhaibam, alleged that central government has tormented people of Manipur and it has become unbearable. Sanjoy was speaking on the sideline of a sit-in which was organized by Pungsumbam Laikai Women Welfare Association in protest against killing of children in Thronglaubi. The sit-in was organized under the aegis of Amuko Manipur Students Federation MSF, Poiray Lemarol Mayra Pai Biapunba Manipur, All Manipur Women Voluntary Association Amawova, and Committee on Human Rights Kohar. Speaking further on the sideline of the sit-in, which was held at Takyal Khongban Maning Laikai, Sanjoy said people of Manipur have gone through a lot and it has become unbearable. They only have to take up the responsibility for themselves in order to protect land and its people. While alleging center of biasness in handling the conflict in Manipur, Sanjoy asserted that arms have been made to surrender in Valley, while Kuki militants groups are given free hands in hill districts. This will further exacerbate the crisis. Speaking further, he urged the center to stop using Kuki militant groups for its proxy war and to find a real solution for the ongoing crisis in Manipur. He also demanded Manipur government to act with exigency to find the missing hostages. People chanted slogans to save innocent civilians, to abrogate a Sioux pact with Kuki militant groups.
Militant Singh say, Masida support Toraga, Kunai Asida, Amhaina Mobanda, Amuna Maning the Mama, Kada Awanga, Manipur say, Ura Kagkong Sahan Leva, Ama, Irang Leva, Ama Sari, say, Masid, Women India Asoba, or Panoba, Kuzin Parangi, say, Miam Kangi, Miam can Yaro, a queen of Makangi, Yohakani, Women in the Kangi, I quite Kara, Hawaii Taki, but the Kunai Asidik and the Vaya Devase, a queen Manipur Young Asebu Homni. Ariguma Tanda, I quite Hawaii the Gina, Ireban and Maru Oyena, Alak Tanza, Masi, Hedunda, Laqua Hore, Marum Aduna Gomen, Indiana, Masi Mia Manipur Gomena, I quite Miangi, Yunase, Hang Tabak Togodavani, not regularly Tau Habisi, Masin Tingamdre, Habu Yamanale, Nakoita, Ruitadre, Palame the Sutadre, Nakoi Nakong the Hafre, typically international news the worldwide wherever they, a quick issue say, Nakoi Marum or Kanda.
Bazana Shana warning as a Sika to begin my MLA Mantri Singsina, Nungai Nungana Labano, waking up of security phones in a Kayan Queen and Napang with the gay. Bazana Holopi Home Matanda, wait, my Pito, Asi Saiba Baza, Nasi Saiba Mamazing Tamoda, Asi Lady Ba, a quay my sacks here, Sina Pongdora from Matanda, you sing in a Pongdora Panda, Mantri Singsina, Ngai the security in a Kayan Queen and Napang with the gay, my coos hello, Nasi or a pay, Matamama, my ngayo, ngaiba matam the girl from Matamda, Manti Mandon Chingdong as you went a Pamiba, Pita, the Pamang and Bayenge.
On the other hand, General Secretary of Pungsumbam Laikai Women Welfare Association, Naurem Thoi Bilaima, expressed dissatisfaction on government for failing to find the culprits of Tronglaubi incident. While alleging central forces of failing to protect the lives of civilians, she also urged government to step down if it has failed to govern with rule of law in Manipur. She also warned the government not to wait for mass agitation. We'll be right back after a short break.
Looking for a rewarding teaching career? Join Heritage Convent Uribok. We are hiring postgraduate teachers for Standard 11 and 12 in physics, chemistry, and biology. Enjoy an attractive starting salary of 23,500 rupees in a dynamic and vibrant academic environment. Candidates with at least 2 years of teaching experience will be preferred. Apply at Campus 1 Uribok Buses Pati Laikai Imphal from 22nd to 25th May between 8:30 a.m. and 1 p.m.
Welcome to a campus where dreams take shape. Smart classrooms, advanced tech labs, incubation center, and world-class sports infrastructure. Because sports build both physical strength and mental resilience. Gain skills for real-world success with a vibrant campus life at TIGHT. Dream big, learn smart, grow strong. Your bright future begins right here. Admissions open.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. A man was killed after a speeding Hyundai i20 car met with a self-accident at Hairok Part 3, Litan Wangma under Hairok Police Station in Thoubal District on Thursday evening around 6:30 p.m. Police identified the deceased as Thokchom Manglem, alias Boni 40, son of late Inao of Hairok Part 2, Kaithel Mamang. According to reports, locals rushed to the spot after hearing a loud crash and attempted to rescue the victim. However, he died on the spot due to the impact of the accident. Police later arrived at the scene and launched an investigation into the cause of the mishap. The Relief Center for Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, organized an interactive program for persons with disabilities, PWDs, at Lamsang Bazaar in Imphal West on Thursday to promote inclusion, motivation, and social interaction among differently abled persons. Renowned Manipuri singer Hamom Naba attended the program and encouraged the participants through his interaction and musical performances, bringing joy and inspiration to the gathering. Local Mairapaibi members, local clubs, and members of the Relief Center also took part in the program and expressed their support for the welfare and empowerment of PWDs. The organizers highlighted the need for building an inclusive society where differently abled persons are respected and provided equal opportunities in all spheres of life. The program concluded with participants appreciating the initiative with an aim to promote awareness, dignity, and social inclusion. Now, proscribed Kangleipak Communist Party KCP PWG-MC unification has claimed responsibility for bomb threat at newly opened Vishal Mega Mart in Thoubal. In a press note that was issued by its PRO Jinkei Nganba, the party has clarified that KCP PWG left the hand grenade at Vishal Mega Mart in Thoubal on May 20th. It further maintained that the opening of the mart near Thoubal Kaithel has posed a threat to small businesses. KCP PWG also warned Rajkumar Noren, son of late Rajkumar Mukta, for allowing the mart to be set up at his property as against prior warning from the party, while maintaining that the opening of Vishal Mega Mart threatens the livelihood of many business owners in Thoubal. The proscribed party has directed for the mart to be shifted to a different location, which is at least 6 kilometers away from Thoubal market area, while also warning for further bomb attack in case their order is not adhered by officials of Vishal Mega Mart. Now, Assam Rifles organized civic action program at Gehu Lampak, Kangjebung, Laiprakpam on May 21st with an aim to promote sports and youth engagement in the area. During the program, hockey kits comprising sticks, balls, shin guards, gloves and jerseys were distributed to Liberal Club Laiprakpam, United Club and Saya Club to encourage young athletes to actively pursue hockey and channelize their energy into positive sporting activities. The event was attended by local youths, village elders and community leaders who warmly welcomed the initiative. Speaking at the program, a senior Assam Rifles officer stressed the importance of sports in promoting discipline, character building and national integration, while expressing confidence in the potential of local youths to excel in higher levels. Altogether, 45 officials and troops of Assam Rifles participated in the event. 38th Assam Rifles Battalion in Jiribam's Kadamtala hosted a peace meeting between Naga and Kuki CSO representatives yesterday with the aim to maintain harmony among communities in the district. The meeting was attended by village chairmen and secretaries of Laisabitol, Saijang, Baibuni, Makhabasti, Kalinagar, Borobekra, along with youth presidents, RNCM president, Kuki Inpi, Mar Inpi president. During the meeting, Commanding Officer 30th Assam Rifles Colonel Prashant Singh Chondawat appealed both communities to practice trust-building exercise and not to believe in rumors on social media. The officer also urged public to inform Assam Rifles or police in case they face any problem or difficulties. The proscribed National Revolutionary Front, Manipur NRFM, has expressed profound grief over the demise of Private Arjun Brahman, MA number 242, a soldier of Manipur Army Unit 124, who passed away on duty on May 20 of 2026. The release issued by its Information and Publicity Secretary, Central Headquarters, Sanaja Wamaite, stated that son of Nobojoy Brahman and Indrani Brahman and a resident of Kasar Zirighat, Alubazar, Private Arjun Barman, joined its Army Wing Manipur Army on December 2 of 2025, successfully completed basic military training with the 11th Suba Badge and was serving as a dedicated and capable fighter. He is survived by his parents, one younger sister and 2 younger brothers. In an official condolence message, the NRFM described his death as a significant loss to the motherland and extended heartfelt sympathies to the bereaved family, praying for strength to endure the irreparable loss. Loyalam Apunba Laumilup Lalup has expressed profound grief over the demise of Kangembam Kleshwar, president of Film Forum Manipur, who passed away recently. Popularly known as Itaw Kleshwar among the public, he dedicated his entire life to the service of the state and people, having served as president of All Manipur Students Union (MSU), where he made significant contributions to human resource development HRD sector. Regarding as a guiding figure who inspired countless youths, Kleshwar was also a pioneer in Manipur's electronic media during its early days and played main role in promoting theater, drama, and cinema, taking the state's cultural identity to national and international platforms. In an era of rapid globalization and socio-political, economic, and cultural transformations, his versatile contributions made his untimely death an irreparable loss to society, prompting Lalup to convey heartfelt condolences to his family and the people of the state. Moving on to sports. Kanglei Voluntary Workers Association KVWA, under the aegis of Manipur Handball Association, organized 48th state-level junior boys and girls handball tournament from May 20 and will run till May 25 at Kanglei Voluntary Workers Association, Mayang Imphal Kokchai Playground. The tournament is being participated by 9 teams of boys and 5 teams of girls and will be held in 2 categories. On the second day, in the morning match, SSC Kurai defeated KKLYDO Kongpal by 17-10. In the second match, KBWA Mayang Imphal defeated OYO Kongpal by 21-8, while YLK Chingarel Tejpur defeated IMC Thoubal by 20-15 in the final match. Now the weather report. India Meteorological Department IMD Meteorological Center Imphal has forecast thunderstorms accompanied by lightning at isolated places in several districts of Manipur over the next few days. According to district-wise weather warning, districts likely to experience thunderstorm activity include Thoubal, Kakching, Tingnopal, Chandel, Churachandpur and Farzol. IMD stated that thunderstorms with lightning are very likely at isolated places during the initial forecast period, while no warning has been issued for the later days. On the other hand, according to ICR Regional Center Lamphilpat, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 32.4 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 22.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 84% in the morning and 59% in the evening. And now, before we wrap up the headlines once again. Election Commission of India announces Rajya Sabha poll schedule for 24 seats, including lone Manipur seat on June 18th. Centre appoints Manipur Director General of Police Rajiv Singh as Secretary Security in Cabinet Secretariat. New DGP yet to be named. That is all the news we have for now. More news coming up at 5. Keep watching SKTV News.